Hey there guys, and in this video we are going to install a new visor for our MT-15. So the visor that I brought is a flat one. So actually there are a lot of visors available, so you could see the bubble visor over here, and you can get a metal visor. Also there's a colored version of this metal visor, and this is the visor after some stickerings. And now let's fix it in the bike. To install this visor we need to remove these 4 Allen screws using a 4mm Allen key. So after removing the screws, just fix the visor in place and tighten it up. And this is the final look after fitting this visor. Actually this looks great. So coming by the cost, so it costed around 250. So in online you could also get this one for around 150 or 200. So it depends. So thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe.